Welcome to Delta 4x4, off-road since 1980.
Hello friends of delta 4x4, this is Basti from sunny Bavaria, and today I'm presenting you our off-road idea of the new KGM Rexton. So come with me please. We start at the front, and here we mounted our front bar with a diameter of 76 millimeters, and this comes with an EC certificate, so you can drive this legally without any paperwork in the whole European Union. And yeah, it's this one is powder coated in black matte, and here on the top we mounted with our PIAA brackets some headlights, and these are the PIAA LPX 570, and yeah, these are very bright. I think these have 16 LEDs per headlight, so that's really a lot. And also these come with EC certificate. So now that was on the front. Now come with me please to the wheels. So we mounted here the Channel Grabber Ultra 3 tire in the size 285/60 R18, of course with snowflake symbol on our delta 4x4 Classic B rugged rim in the all black version. So black rim, black ring, this one is exchangeable of course, and also black small screws, and even here the bolts are in black. To mount this massive wheel you have to lift the car with our 30mm body lift kit. So we made a kit for the KGM Rexton for that, and with that the tires fit under the car. And yes, all of that comes with a certificate of course, so you can drive that legally in the whole European Union. So thank you for watching this video, and if you have any questions then please call us, write a DM or a mail, whatever. Visit our shop, we will add all the products of course soon in our online shop. So thank you and stay tuned.